Today I'm going to show you how to make a pasta bake. It is a very easy meal and highly adaptable to suit everyone's choices. My name's Melissa, this is How to Adopt. Let's get started. The essential ingredients that you need for a pasta bake is obviously pasta and some kind of sauce. After that, the limit is your imagination, within reason. Don't put in something disgusting. You can add in vegetables or you can leave them out. You can add in spices or herbs. The sky's the limit. Tonight I'm going to be using a white sauce. We'll be adding in bacon, corn and broccoli. Plus I'll add some cheese on the top at the end. Once you've got your ingredient out, start boiling a pot of water and throwing your pasta. You also should start preheating your oven as well. I've set mine for about 220 degrees. Then you just need a pan to bake it in. Put a little bit of oil on there just to make sure it doesn't get totally stuck to the bottom. Sometimes I may choose to fry my bacon, but I'm just gonna whack it in the microwave to heat it up because it will cook in the oven as well. Don't forget to keep stirring your pasta and make sure it just gets stuck at the bottom. You'll be able to tell that the pasta is ready because the color will change and it will become soft to touch as well. That's not even close to being ready, so back in the pot it goes. Now because I'm going to be cooking with frozen vegetables, I'm going to throw them in the same pot as the pasta because they're all going in together anyway. Now that I've put in the frozen vegetables, the water has stopped boiling because obviously the water has been cooled down by the frozen food. But it won't take long for it to pick it back up again, and now is a really good time to add in some extra water before it gets too low. Okay, it looks like the pasta is ready now, so I'm going to strain the liquid. Then I'm going to add in the bacon and the sauce and mix it around in the pot before I put it into the baking tray. I highly suggest you get one of these elevated strainers because it makes it a lot easier to pour out liquid without dropping it everywhere. So I've strained all the liquid out from here. I'm going to add in the bacon and the sauce. Just add in a little bit at a time, mix it around and see if you're happy with that consistency. You don't want to over sauce it. Pop it all in the pan and now add some cheese. I'm going to put that in the oven now for about 20 minutes. If you would like to learn more cooking recipes, click here for my playlist. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.